Hello guys, this is Sagheer from eWebCraft. In this video, I'm going to give you some voice search optimization tips. And you will come to know that how to optimize web page for voice searches. You know, the voice search trend is being increased day by day. People are leaving the habit of typing the keywords into search engine and they are just trying to find their required results using voice search features. And it is not just on the mobile phones, it is on tablet, it is on desktop as well. With devices and technologies like Google Search, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, Bixby, that is by Samsung, and Siri by iPhone. Voice search is more convenient because it does not require a keyboard. But there is one difference between manual search and voice search, which is that searching with your voice are longer and tend to be more conversational. So it's like when you type something in, you used to do like best mobile phone. But when people search using voice, they search in a more explanatory and conversational way, like what is the best mobile phone for teenager? And similarly, there is another example like Chinese restaurant near me. When you type in Google, you will just type Chinese restaurant near me. But in voice search, we can say what is the best Chinese restaurant near me that is open on Sunday. So it is important to optimize your website with voice search. Now let's talk about how to rank for voice search. Here are some very useful tips to rank your website for voice search. Number one, target conversational style phrases. Target conversational style phrases on your website for voice search. This is the most important thing you should consider on your web page if you want to rank your web page or website for voice search. You can get help from websites like answerthepublic.com that can give you more conversational style phrases to target. Look for the theme words and phrases that are required to answer that question and include them on your web page. And your page will have all of the words that people use to search in conversational way. And number second is question and answer sections. Add sections on your web pages that include question and answer. Usually people search in question and answer style, so including question and answer like how to or frequently asked questions help your web page rank very fast. Here is a tip to get relevant questions. Some people ask me how to get the questions. To get the idea about the type of the question people search for your product, you can also use Google's feature. That feature is people also ask. When you type something in Google, it shows you a feature that people also ask on search result. You will see there is a few questions, but when you click on those questions, Google shows you more questions underneath. Just pick very relevant question to your product and or service and write a better answer. It will help you to rank your websites very quickly. So important note here is that write answer concisely. Don't write too much words. Just write the best answer around 50 words. Number three is use question and answer schema. Google is supporting structured data specifically designed for FAQs. Look at this Google developer website for question and answer. They have outlined schema structure for question and answer. So create markup schema for your FAQ page. Google can use the data from your website and display in feature snippet. And it is also the best way to optimize your website for voice search. Number four is make your web page local SEO perfection. Almost 39% of voice search users are looking for local business information. So it is very important to optimize your local SEO for search. Google is picking up the web pages which are very rich and relevant to voice search. So if you are offering your services in multiple cities, try to convert your web pages into thousands of mass pages. Rank your every single service in city you work in. You can watch my other video that explains how important it is to convert your website into mass pages website. I'm going to add a URL down there. So number 5 is improve your site speed. Voice searches are mostly used on mobile and tablets. So optimize your website and make it mobile friendly. So go ahead and test your website whether it is mobile friendly or not. Type mobile friendly test in Google and Google will show you a URL. Just click on the Google website and go there. You can see that you can add your URL, or you can also paste your code to test whether it is mobile friendly or not. So if you will follow all these guidelines for voice search, I'm sure that your website will start coming up very quickly. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, please never hesitate to ask. I'm very happy to give you the answers. Thank you so much, and subscribe to my channel.